Hello dear friends, welcome to Shiksha Mantra, and today in Shiksha Mantra we would have something very much different, and this time we are going to show you something that will be of much interest for this video. So I have a very beautiful garden, so let me show you a very special thing in my garden. Okay. This is my garden, and there will find very beautiful plants that I have had here, and some of good collections. And there's another person. Let me show her. Hi Inakshi, she is Inakshi. And Inakshi, what are you seeing here? What are you observing?
Sir, here's a cherry plant and some cherries are
Oh,
grown here.
this plant.
Yes.
You are watching this plant, and particularly the cherries, na?
Yes.
So friends, you can see we have some very beautiful cherries here in this plant. These cherries are going to get ripened very soon, and this is already a ripe cherry. There's another, so many of them. There's one another where, oh, there's a pear. There's a pear. Look. Isn't it a pear? Oh, so Inakshi, can you tell me what's the color of cherry?
Red.
Red. So this is a red cherry, na?
Yes.
This is a red cherry. This cherry is red. Are they same in meaning? If I say this is a red cherry, or if I say this cherry is red, are they mean the same?
Yes, they mean the same.
But where lies the difference? If I say this is a green cherry, or this cherry is green, so where lies the difference? Is there any difference? So Inakshi, if I say this cherry is red and this is a red cherry, is there particular difference in the meaning of these two sentences?
Yes,
Are they
there
mean
are the-
different?
Yes, there are the difference.
Yeah, how are they different? Tell the viewers on screen. So actually there is no difference in these two sentences. Why? Just sit down. Let's have the cherries with us. They are really beautiful. If I say that this cherry is red, it means what I am doing? I am using an adjective before a noun, cherry. So red, this is a color adjective that has been used before the noun red. And when I say this cherry is red, I am using the same adjective. Same adjective is used here. Okay, but where lies the difference? Here the adjective is used after the verb. So dear friends, here we will learn how to use an adjective in a sentence. We can use an adjective in two ways. Have you got it? So where we can place the adjective? We can place the adjective before a noun. And what do we call it? What's the name of this adjective? We call it attributive adjectives, because it gets attributed on the noun we mean. So it's very simple. If you consider this cherry is green. This cherry is green. But if we say this is a green cherry, or this is a red cherry, so cherry is the noun. Got it, Inakshi? Have you got it?
Yes.
So the adjective green or red, it's being attributed over the noun cherry. So we call it attributive adjectives. Actually it means we have used the adjective attributedly. Okay, because the adjective is attributed on the noun. So it's attributively used adjectives. And now when we say this cherry is red or this cherry is green, here the color red or green, this is used as what? This is not used as attributive because it doesn't come here right before the noun, but where it comes in the predicate part. So this is a predication, this is a description about the noun. That's why we call it predicative adjectives. So have you remembered what I have said? How many types of adjectives are there?
Attributive and predicative.
Attributive adjectives and predicative adjectives. Now can you sum up where's the difference between attributive adjective and predicative adjective?
In attributive adjectives, the adjective comes just before the noun, and in predicative adjective, it comes after the noun. It also becomes
After the verb, na?
verb.
After the verb in predicate part, not in subject part, but in predicate part. So this is types of adjectives, but you have learned adjectives of quality, adjectives of number, etc., etc. na? But here you will get only two types of adjectives, attributive adjectives and predicative adjectives. But where lies the difference? This is actually the use of adjectives. It's not in the sense, it's in the use. It's regarding the construction of adjectives, construction of sentences with adjectives, isn't it? So it's not related to meaning. What does it relate to?
It relates to the part which
Sentence, construction of the sentence, isn't it? Okay, so today we have learned with these cherries. What we have learned? We have learned, let me show you once again the beautiful cherry tree, the cherry plant and the beautiful cherries on it. So what we have learned from these beautiful cherries? We have learned the use of adjectives. The use of adjectives according to their sentence structure, attributive adjectives and predicative adjectives. But remember one thing, again we are repeating in Akshi. What we are to say here? We must remember these are not attributive adjectives or predicative adjectives. Rather, these adjectives are used attributively and predicatively.
Okay.
Isn't it?
Yes.
Do you want to show some special plant to our viewers?
Yes.
Which plant do you want to show them?
My favorite one, the kamni plant.
Kamni plant. Okay. So let's come. So the viewers, what is your favorite plant? Show the viewers what's your favorite plant. Which plant are you talking of?
This one.
This one. Oh, which plant is this?
Kamni plant.
Kamini plant. Is it a bonsai?
Yes.
It's a bonsai, na?
It's really a beautiful bonsai.
Do you take care of this plant?
Not every time.
Not every time, but you have to prune this plant a little. Okay.
Yeah.
So, dear friends, here we'd end this vlog, this edu blogging, and soon we are returning with another very, very beautiful discussion here in Shiksha Mantra. Till then,
Bye bye. Happy learning.